All right, everybody. Today, we're going to go ahead and go through the motions on how to create an automated dropshipping Shopify website from complete scratch. We'll go ahead and get straight into it. So first thing we want to do is we're going to go to Shopify. All right, so we're in Shopify here. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a store. You can create a store with your email, any email you like. Once you create a store, you get this little UI interface. Welcome to Shopify. We're going to hit I don't want help setting up to skip all of that stuff. All right, cool. And then we get thrown into here. So this is the dashboard. So the first thing we're going to do is, of course, we're going to name our store. So we're going to go to settings at the bottom left. And then it takes you straight to general. And that's where you can go ahead and rename the store. So cool. So we have the store name right there. We have our store email that they can go ahead and message to. And then from there you hit save. And next thing that we're going to go ahead and do is write up the policies. This is going to be something that's going to be really quick to do using ChatGPT and AI. So we're going to go to policies, bottom left. And then from here, it'll take us to our policies page. We can see we still need to make some. So return and refund policy, no policy set. And from here, we're gonna open up ChatGPT and give it a prompt, tell it what we're doing and what we want. All right, so we went ahead and crafted everything, basically stated in the prompt that we're a newly opened dropshipping store, the name of our store, our 30-day return policy, where we're located, and now asking it to craft a shipping and return policy for the business. We're gonna hit enter. Cool, and it generates all of this for us right here. Of course, you go through it, you read it, make sure everything's good. Once it is, you can go ahead and copy it and simply paste. And from there, that's one out of the 3 that we need to get done. Privacy policy is automated, so we can skip that one. That will do terms of service. And we'll simply just prompt chat to say, do terms of service. Cool, and just like that, it crafted a terms of service for us. So all we gotta do is revise it, read it, click it, Command A, and then from there we'll copy, and we'll simply paste. Cool, so terms of service is done. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the shipping policy. So we'll simply prompt it, now shipping policy. Nice. Of course, revise it, make sure everything's up to standards. We'll go back and we'll simply paste, publish, and lastly, our contact info. Cool, so we tapped in contact info, it made our address, it even added our socials there, so you can quickly plug those in if you really want the customers to be able to quickly see it. Go to your socials from there, so we'll click, Command A, copy, go back, paste, publish. Cool, so policy side, that's all done. Next thing we can go ahead and do is now we can add products. And of course we want to automate everything so it's more hands off. So we're gonna go ahead and use a certain application called AutoDS. To get to AutoDS, we'll just click at the very top where we hit search, type in AutoDS. First one right here, cool. Currently have no affiliation with AutoDS, they just work really well, so would recommend them. So you're gonna hit install. This little pop-up shows up asking if you want to install the app, you hit install. And once you install it, it automatically takes you to their website, platform.autods.com. And then it automatically you can see it added our store. It still has a generic name of a UGVX, but we can quickly change that clicking on the little edit. 3 dots, your name. And we'll name it what we have the store named. Complete spot. Cool, and you just hit that check mark. Hit save. Now that's all done. Cool, so now our Shopify store and our AutoDS, they're linked together, so now we can simply add products. Cool thing about AutoDS is you can literally grab products from Amazon, Home Depot, Walmart, various suppliers, and they'll get shipped and updated with real tracking info automatically. You have to do literally nothing, so pretty cool. So we'll go ahead and we'll add a product. So we went ahead, opened up Amazon.com, and we don't even have to have an account. You can see it says sign in. We have no account right now. We can simply scroll, see what's trending, see what's good. You can always end up hitting on the little side button. All movers and shakers is usually a good trend to go ahead and take a look at because these are ones that are selling really well. We can see this, this. All of this can be sold. Sold, automated. You literally have to do nothing. You just have to get it all set up, and that's what we're doing right now. Of course, another little section you can tap on is appliances, really high ticket items. They sell really well too, and they're pretty unique. Like this one right here, a portable washing machine or even an ice maker. We'll go ahead and we'll go with the portable washing machine. We'll give it a click. We can see it has different variations too, green, blue. We can actually list both of these on our website as well. The green one looks like it's less, so we can even market that. All you have to do is simply go at the top, click on the link, copy the link. And once you copy the link, we'll go back to AutoDS. So we're in here in AutoDS. You can go to the top left, hit add products, single products, and it gives you a little URL that you can go ahead and place that link in. So we'll go ahead and paste that link. We'll hit edit now. And you can see it says item has been added to drafts. This is drafts little menu right here. And it's pretty quick. Just like that, it's done. And then from here, this is a draft ready to get imported to our store. It gives a big name to it. Adds some tags to it automatically. The shipping method is the cheapest for tracking. And it has auto order turned on. So as soon as they get placed in the store, it goes straight to here. You push a button and then from there, it just gets automated the rest of the way. And if you don't want to do that extra step, you can always add a balance to it. That way it automatically does it. You can also see it adds the descriptions for you. And we talked about that there's two variants. There's a green and a blue. We can see that the variant has, right now it's just green. To simply add another one, we go to the bottom left, we hit add variant. And then we're gonna go back to the Amazon. And then in Amazon, we're gonna go ahead and select the blue one. That does change the URL at the top. So we'll click it, we'll copy that URL. We'll go back to AutoDS. And in AutoDS, we'll simply paste the variant ID and we'll hit add variant. And quickly like that, it went ahead and added the variant. And you can even see it added a price, 44 and 55. If you click on the image itself, it tells you how much profit you can make at the top right. And this is all automated. It automatically added a 20% profit. Of course, if you want to change this, you can always do this to your liking. If you want to sell it to 45, 65, anything, you can go ahead and adjust it right here. We're gonna leave it as is, and we're gonna hit save. Click on images, you can see it has all the images. If you want to download this yourself, or you can go ahead and remarket it, advertise it on your social media, you can always do that. You can simply click all at the top, and you just click on this little download button right here, and it downloads it as a zip. Item specifications, you don't need this, but it adds it, which is perfect. That way you don't have to do it manually. And whenever you're ready and you like what you see, you can go ahead and just hit save and import. From there, you can see it's being updated. Cool, and just like that, we can see that it's imported in our product section on our store, the complete spot, and we can always verify this as well by actually going into our Shopify. So we'll go ahead, we'll tab back over to Shopify. So we're here at Shopify, our main list. You can see we're gonna go to products, and it automatically added the little mini portable washing machine right there. So that's the automated process. And now comes the fun part where you actually get to like edit and customize your website to your liking. So we'll go ahead and you'll go to the bottom left and you'll see sales channel. Right underneath, you see online store, give that a click. And that'll take you here. You can see that the online store is password protected. Of course, when we pick a plan, it gets removed and then we can go ahead and showcase it to the world. We ain't gonna worry about that now. And the theme you start off with is Dawn, which is a great theme. If you like more, you can scroll down. You can see there's Sense, which is another great one as well. But we're gonna go ahead and just stick to Dawn. You simply click Customize. When you select Customize, it takes you to your Shopify admin website portal where you can go ahead and customize your website to your liking. And the first thing we can see here is an image banner. Of course, we wanna add our image banner of our store. That way it shows reputation, shows that we have a name, etc. So we can quickly make an image banner using AI as well. So utilizing AI, we just tap back to ChatGPT and then we're gonna ask it to create an image banner for our store. So we typed in a very standard prompt. Can you create an image banner for a dropshipping e-commerce store called The Complete Spot? Let's see what it does. Cool, so it generated something pretty cool right here, an iPhone in the middle. It looks like it's adding weights and fitness. We're not really going for that right now. The one thing we have in our store is a washing machine. So maybe we can go ahead and tell it based on more home appliances. But the beauty about this is with the automated dropshipping, you can quickly add dumbbells if you want, but we're not gonna do that. So we liked it, so we're gonna say, nice, can you do the same, but instead add household appliances as well. So we asked it to generate more household appliances. It looks like it added a blender. Not so sure what that is. That looks like a speaker. Added exercise bikes. So I guess you could say that a washing machine could blend in with this stuff. So we'll go ahead, we'll just take it. So top right, you can see there's a little download button. Give that a click. It downloads it automatically. And since it downloaded automatically, now we're gonna go ahead and tab back over to Shopify. And then in Shopify, we're here where the image banner is. So we're just gonna click on the image banner. We can see at the left side, this is where we can go ahead and add our images. So we're gonna just drag and drop the image in here. Drag, drop. It said that it wasn't valid. We're still placing it anyway because it works. Cool, so we can see there's an image overlay opacity. Of course, we can end up putting our name on it right there, but it already has our name everywhere, so we can most likely get rid of that. Want to get rid of these distractions as well. And just like that, there you go. There's our image banner. If we scroll down, we can see our featured products. We already have our washing machine that's there, ready to be clicked and sold. Scroll down, we can see subscribe to our emails. Of course, we want to add a nice footer section to it too, so we're going to go ahead and work on that. So it's going to include 3 things, and out of those 3 things, you're going to go to the left side where it says footer. You're going to hit add block right underneath footer, and you're going to hit text. And then above it, you're going to go ahead and hit add block again. You hit another text. And then one more time, you're gonna add another block, and this one's gonna be menu. So we got 3 things set up at the bottom: text, text, and menu. With those texts, the first one's gonna be our credo, little things what we stand by. So we'll type our store name at the top. In the subtext, we can simply go back to ChatGPT and ask it to create a short credo. So generate a credo, we can see right here, looks good. So we're gonna copy this. We're gonna go ahead and tab back to Shopify. In the subtext, we're gonna go ahead and paste. And our second text box is gonna be more of our contact information. And for our contact information, it doesn't have to be anything crazy. You can just end up adding some simple stuff like at the very top, email, number, solid. And then for our links, this is where we'll be able to add more links, and this is in the admin section, but from here, pretty much this is all set. And then whenever you're ready, you're gonna go ahead and hit save at the top right. Cool, and we can already see we got our store pretty much set up. Store name, banner, products, about us, contact, quick links. Looks like a legit, genuine store. And of course, let's go ahead and take a look at what the store looks like without all the Shopify interface. So we'll hit view your store. You can see this is our store right here. Click this. We have a machine, different colors, quantity, description, photos, bottom, subscribe to our emails, for add to cart, view. And now all the customer has to do is check out. Once they check out, AutoDS gets a message. You simply have to say, yup, let's do it. And then from there, it handles the rest. So this is how you build up a Shopify website from complete scratch, from the very beginning, along with automation, so you don't have to deal with any of the ordering, processing, any of that stuff. All you gotta focus on is building your store, putting your products on there, and making it look good. The fun stuff. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this content, like, subscribe, and then from there, if you are interested in having us do this for you, you can go ahead and reach out to us at crypticdigital.io. Book a call with us, we'll go ahead, we'll talk, and then from there we can get things going. Have a good one.